Let me show you the secret to French nails. So, start off by creating your French nail bed. So you're going to extend that to the size and shape that you want, using the tip of the brush to really try and get the shape as crisp as possible. You will file it later, but it really helps. Another tip I use is I'll try and use one bead for the actual base of the nail bed, and then I'll cap it in clear sometimes. The only reason being that it actually stops shadowing. If you can do it in one bead, great. If not, this is how I'll do it if it's more than one bead. So then you're going to file it in. Make sure you use that file and really crisp that up. Then cleanse it, then you'll go in with your white. One of the main points about the white is get it to go over the smile line. When you file that in at the end, if that's going over the smile line, it looks so much more crisp. So you'll see here I'm building that right up over the smile line. Try and work a little bit drier with your white as well, because this will really help with your application. So this is the really satisfying bit. This is the mini bit, I think it's from Willow Academy. It's a 5-in-1 bit, it's fabulous, and it really helps with the shape. So once you've done that, I'm going to file it into shape. I'm going to top coat, then put a bit of cuticle oil. This one is cherry cola from Any Blends, and I love it. It smells like heaven. I hope that helps, but any questions, let me know.